Amalgamation O. This is a nice casual one, but remember you can find fast music and make it faster, but this is a nice casual one. So we're going to do brush, brush, toe, heel. Now with the back foot, which for me is the left foot, a toe heel with that foot, toe, heel, and then the front foot, my right foot, shuffle round to the back of the left foot and a ball change. And then as you can see, this is repeatable on the same foot if you want to keep it just as a practice amalgamation. So don't forget, you can use fast music, but this one's going to be casual for me today. So brush, brush, toe, heel, shuffle, ball change. One more time, I'll do it this way round. Brush, brush, toe, heel, shuffle, ball change. Let's try with some music. So let's up tempo now for amalgamation P. So it's a nice mixture of different levels, but of course change your music to match your standards. So we're going to do gallop to the side, ball change, tap step, ball change, pick up hop, toe hop. Now that's going to be quite fast. And then from there, 2 tap springs and a fast stamp, stamp, pull back, stamp, stamp, pull back, tap spring, toe hop. Now, I'm assuming you've watched all my videos up to this point. All of these steps are shown slowly, but I don't want to keep repeating everything again and again for my regular subscribers or viewers. So if you don't know how to do any of those steps, go back and check them out, as I've covered all these steps separately. So let's mark it slowly. Gallop, ball change, tap step, ball change, pick up hop, toe hop, tap spring, stamp, stamp, pull back, stamp, stamp, pull back, tap spring, toe hop. One more time. Gallop, ball change, tap step, ball change, pick up hop, toe hop, tap spring, stamp, stamp, pull back, stamp, pull back, tap spring, toe hop. Let's try with some faster music.